Right. Yes. Open up, yes. Fake kahle lapha. Bhekile la. Right. Danko. We're here. Yes. Yeah, boo. Coming. Right, so these guys want to join me, ne? They want to join me, so I'm gonna do this double. So they want to be live with me, La Nangali, La on TikTok and on our WhatsApp group, ne? So let me quickly join. Let me quickly call everybody on the WhatsApp group as well. Where are they? Yeah, Okosiam. Ah, Darcy. Might as well kill two birds with one stone. Right. Hey, Ninjani. Hayi sikhona man. Hayi hey iyahlupha inetwork laphana namhlanje ngiyangizwa kodwa.
Mina ngiyakuzwa mkhulu and it's clear. You sound like ukuthi kune-phone but ngiyakuzwa.
Yes. Oh, okay. Hayi akunankinga. Yeah, so it is what it is, ne? So it's that time where we start exposing. So I'm done with going beating around the bush. Now we're hitting it straight. Ashoni le nale. The funny part is they're already telling on each other, our friends. So yeah. No, you know, uzubone futhi ne ukuthi uzubone ukuthi these guys are shame. I wonder when you go on TikTok, ne? When you go on TikTok, and then you can already see, okay, but are you trying to block him a gift? Guys, that's not going to stop. Oguti, people are waking up. It's not gonna stop people from waking up. People can now see, Uti, if you cannot demonstrate, you are not a healer. If you can't, I can't be a maths teacher and I can't solve an equation. That's rubbish. Because hey, you know the excitement people get. You wanna the excitement people get when what, hey, ngiphethe isilonda, or I've got a rash, I've got a what. At then they go into their bags and then they touch, yeah. And then now we are nyana. Why can't they say that when you have a problem with spirituality. Because spirituality is speaking to the spirit. Why is it an issue when we speak about Umsam? Because Umsam is a spirit. Umsam is a collective, it's collective spirits that are in harmony. It's a network of networks. Yeah, but why is it a problem now? It's because people are not healers. And first of all, when people say they are Sabangani, we are friends as healers, that is bullshit. Friends? I always say, if you're a healer, you should be proud. Do you know that ancestors cannot wait for the opportunity to showcase themselves? That is the one thing I know I can guarantee about ancestors. When you give them the opportunity to show their true power, they will use it. So what type of a healer that calls themselves a healer, but is so scared to demonstrate, is so scared to actually engage with others regarding whatever they claim to heal? It's because they're lying. How? You're lying. You are lying. You are lying. The one thing now as a parent, when you are with your child, you cannot wait for that opportunity to brag about your child. You can't wait for that. Because even if Umtanako does well as Koleni, you are very happy. You're proud. It's a proud moment. You can't contain yourself. That's exactly how ancestors are. So when you are saying when you are a healer and you are healing this, but now you cannot demonstrate, you cannot show, you cannot prove. You are healing that. Oh, you're a liar, man. Manga. Talking shit. Liar. How? Hey. And yeah.
Is it because people just love wearing blankets that are not suitable for their shoulders?
Aha! Exactly.
It's great.
Yo, that is profound, eh? That is so profound, it's not even fun. Because the fact of the matter is, you cannot speak a language that you cannot understand. Angeke usikhulume isibhunu ungasazi. You can never claim to engage in Afrikaans, but you are not. You don't even understand two words. Icon. No. They're trying to be like me when hey? How me now? You know me and my Afrikaans. How they're trying to be like me, but I don't want. you know, and that's the thing. And I always say, you know, and I know Uti, I'm being, but people are saying I'm being rude right now. No, I haven't even started. If you think I'm being rude now, I haven't even started, because once I go into what I really want to talk about, once I go into what I really want to talk about, people are going to lose their minds. Yebo. Once I go into, oh shit, open. People will lose their minds. Because what I really want to go into is deeper than that. Can you guys hear me? Yeah, bro. What I really want to go into is deeper than that. And it is very intentional. Very, very, yeah, bro. Very intentional. Sorry. Man, let me go back. My fault on that phone. My fault. Hey, sorry, my fault. Can you hear me now? Yeah, sorry, my fault. No, get to me now. People may come and say, hi, we are being rude now. I haven't even started being cocky. Because I wonder if I really wanted to be cocky about this thing. I can go individually. It's me now. When she started her journey, there's a specific healer. I can call him out, his name, that bastard. And he should when you gave her A, B, C, and D. And maybe I should keep quiet. Was it a nice experience when you went through that? You see?
Yeah, I went to hell and back.
and even
no one will even believe that I went through that.
Exactly.
No one will believe.
Exactly. You see, the thing is with these people, ne? What they really do is they want to intimidate people. Mina, you try to intimidate me, you piss me off. You make me more angry. The moment you try to intimidate me, you make me extremely angry. Because that means it's either me or you. It's either me or you. And in spirituality, ne, the one thing is your ancestors are always waiting for an opportunity to showcase their true powers. They are always waiting for one opportunity to show others who they truly are. So if you call yourself a healer, but you are holding back, so you claim, and you cannot engage in the healing that your ancestors gave to you, I have got questions, Shem. I've got serious questions. I've got questions. Because we know how, I mean, come on, guys. We can go on about this the whole day. But that moment now, when you start to see your ancestors for the first time, and you never forget them. I can hear you. Can you hear me now? Yeah. Get to me now. That moment. Yeah, it's a moment you'll never forget, guys. You can never forget that moment. Yeah, because in reality, whether it is in Desekaya or in Nani, that is the best moment in one's life. Especially when it comes to izinto zokwelapha. You are lying, Chief. Because that introduction or that introductory stage where you start to see it, oh, this is Magogo. Oh, that is Mkulu Mangbang. Oh, that is what? Oh, this is what they eat. Oh, this is what they drink. Oh, this is what they wear. You are lying. You are lying, guys. Because that is the best moment ever. Even if the communication where you can hear the voice, but you cannot see the face, or vice versa. You see the body, but you cannot see the face. That is something, that is an experience you'll never forget, guys. That's an experience am I lying? Time Kulu, are you talking shit now? Are you asking? Exactly, because No, because you know what? Yeah, boom. We're at a stage now where people are starting to ask the right questions. People are starting to ask the right questions. People are starting to ask, when but when my question is, who the fuck did you heal? When you are healing Amakosi, why can't you make them talk? When ulapa in, why can't you demonstrate? Then you're a liar. No man, you're lying. How? You are lying. If you can't do it, you're lying. You don't have it. Tula. You can't call yourself a driver, but you can't drive. You are lying. You're an amanga. You are saying you are healing. You are healing what? Those are the questions we need to start asking. Ulapa ini, no ilapayo. No, serious. We need to ask the hard questions now. Am I lying, guys? Or I I don't know what.
What are they feeling? Because themselves are not even healed.
Aha.
And far from aligning.
Aha. Aha.
And they are so trapped in the physical world. They fight over physical things.
Aha.
So the question is, then what are you healing?
Yeah, boo. That is.
You can't even see. You can't even see. You can't even see. So what are you healing? If you can't even see, you are blind.
Yeah, boo. We've got questions. We've got serious questions. Yeah, because now, you know how many people have been going to the water? How many people have been going to the ocean, to the mountain? How many people have drank things, have ate things, but nothing is happening? Do you know how sad that is? Do you know how sad that is?
On the same roads, but nothing is happening. Instead, people get worse. People are dying left, right.
You know, we once went to the water with a lady that was sent by the witches to me. Ne? I was with her. We are kumbula no. We went. This girl, ne? So we go with her, Nan, and I'm not showing a Uti Yambon. I am silent. But along the way, when we are engaging in conversation, we were picking up. We are picking. Wawana and I, we are looking at each other. Yamona, she wants to say something. Now I'm silent. He's shh. I'm like, shh, say nothing. Because in their minds, they think we can't see them. And can you imagine? We are with this girl now, and then I got her to a point where she ended up telling the name of the guy who sent, but she didn't realize she was telling me who it was. She didn't realize she was telling me who the guy was, but I'm very good with my words. All right. Then she ended up telling us, we're like, okay. Now 1 + 1. Oh, Mr. Twala. So you want to fight? Let's fight, boy. Let's fight, boy. Because he's sending people. No, these guys are funded. So there's one boy who funds them, ne? He funds them. How they get their money, these guys, ne? Is they use the legal system. They use people. They intimidate people. For you to do, they want to financially cripple people, and then they want to steal people. They take loans and businesses under, let's say when you've got a business, when they want to take loans under your business and want to try and intimidate you or kill you, so that when they can remain with that money. That's what they do. They do business applications on other people's businesses. They do loans on other people's businesses, and they buy your husband, you buy your wife, you buy your friends, you buy your family, they buy all the people that will be a problem to them, so that when they do this, they are all in harmony. Yeah.
Okay.
Dirty pieces of shit. Dirty pieces of shit. Dirty. All of them. They need to be investigated. This is fucking organized crime. It's organized crime what they're doing. Oh. Aha. What type of a healer? What type of a healer? My question remains. What type of a healer are you when the only thing you are talking about is money? You are not healed, Baba. You are not healed, Baba. Yabona, if you are truly healed, you'll tell us ngomsamwako. If you are truly healed, you'll tell us ngohlanga lesihlabathi. You'll tell us about the herbs from your own ancestors. You'll tell us about the foods they eat, the things they want. Your language automatically tells me where you are. When everything you're talking about is money. I call now Dinglashwa when. And when you get that money where you want to flaunt, it's all about flaunting. Want to flaunt? Yabona na gisana le modo, gisana in. Why are you explaining yourself? Why are you explaining yourself? Why? No, the real reason why they're explaining themselves is because people have woken up they are not healers. People have woken up, they are not healers, they don't have what they claim to have. Now they want to say, why are you explaining yourself? Why? I never explain myself. I never explain nothing. I will intentionally make sure that you see nothing under my name. I will make sure you see and find nothing. Angfuni vele wazi, ngfuni, angna next. Yes, I'm happy with that. I'm very happy with that. It's intentional. Amabomu. Angifuni. Why are you explaining yourself then when? My question remains. Ayikho impande echazayo. Impande yenza into yakhona full stop. Full stop. Am I lying? Or maybe I'm cool. I will pay me today. I'm cool. I can. Why would you then explain Nina Nensagaj, Nina in? We ask our coach, I would see Konabanya Bang and Fulen, but Papumane Mali, but Kambamang. Ask our coach, ukuthi khona abanye abathibona bakwazi ukukhuluma noNkulunkulu. Asikakakhohle ukuthi khona abanye abathibona they went to heaven. But they went to heaven. uJesu abavulela igate. What bullshit is that? Exactly. Yeah, I get you. It's because they don't. I'm only showing them now how many people are angry. Abantu bakwatile, abantu thiwa bayalashwa kanti bayathwaliswa, thiwa bayalashwa kanti bayathakathiswa. You know how many people think they are healing and they are practicing witchcraft? You know?
They think they are with their ancestors and they do ancestors. We can't they are doing witchcraft all the time.
Aha.
Exactly.
You know.
It shows that there's an actual problem in some, because if you're practicing these things and none of the people that you say you're doing it for are coming and saying, "Hey, then there's something wrong there," because that means wherever those people are not in a right place.
You know what I always tell these guys? Yes. And Mina, one of these guys, the witches don't have brains. They do not have spiritual brains, ne? In the spiritual realm, a witch is not recognized, because a witch does not have access to idlos. They do not have access to Msam. They do not have access to Itonga, a witch, right? So a witch is not recognized. Matongo. Straight talk. We can say whatever, but they are not recognized. The real reason why they are not recognized is because they can never engage. They can never engage Netong. So that's the real reason why you'll never hear them talking about Tumsam. One. That's the real reason why they'll never talk about Abanikazi. They'll never talk about Abasunguli Besbaya. They'll never talk about Indlovukazi. They'll never talk about do you know those ancestors that show themselves but don't show themselves? You've heard the voice, you've never seen the face. You've seen the body, but you've never seen the face. Or you've seen the face, but you've never seen the body. Yeah, man? Those are different ancestors that we engage with Kwela Matongo. Right? Do you know those ancestors that talk to you and they come to you, they come and they whisper everything to you, and you never know the name. You don't know the name. But whenever you see them again, you say, hey, I know this guy. I know this guy. Yeah,
I know him. Yes, I know him.
Yeah, bro. And then you see that one ancestor or a couple of them that look like you. What is it? Huh? This bastard, do I say? Now I've got the right man. It's okay. When I see this guy, when I see that guy, I know I'm about to go into a fight. I now know. When I see that woman, all right, now there's something wrong I'm doing. When I see that one, now I know I need to leave. I need to leave now. I now know. That's exactly what communication is, guys. That's exactly what communication is. Why so? If the witches are real healers, why can't they talk about the real alignment? Why? There is no Josie there. They don't even know the difference between Josie and Msam. They don't know. They don't know.
And here's the thing, this new topic they have on TikTok. The right thing they have, man.
Yeah.
So now they want to ask the question of who called them? I mean, you are a Sangoma. Can't you see that person is a real Sangoma or not?
Let me tell you. Let me tell you a story. Let me tell you.
It shows that you can't see.
Let me tell you a story about Shepstein. There was a missionary called Shepstein. There was a missionary called John. There was a missionary called Jeffrey. This thing, what I'm talking about is in the contextuals. You can go and read about it. It's on the contextuals. Go there and read about these things. The one guy who messed up the Zulu nation is Shepstein. Shepstein is the guy that came up with Ilobola being 11 cows. He is the guy after the Berlin meeting in 1888. Shepstein was the one that came and said, that's what must happen. The cows must be 11, what, and all of that, because they wanted to make it as difficult as possible for us to wed. You know why? Because they later understood, Uguti, the more that when we get married as black people, it's not just me and you, it's our families that intertwine and interact, right? And that's the reason why when they do not want the union anymore, it's the families that cut off the union first. They cut it off first. And then that is the reason why then they'll say move on, or you must move on, or hambala. This woman is a witch, or this man is a witch. This man is bringing you stagnation, or this woman is trying to steal your destiny with her family. They think they can kill you, and then they can harvest. They think they can kill you, then they can harvest your destiny. That's what they are promised in the witch's land. But the one thing they don't know is ukuthi all those things that they create can be destroyed. All of them. All of them. Mina, ayikho into engithanda njengomuntu mina ozongithumela ngento. I am the ultimate alchemist. I will turn that thing around into power. Trust me. When you think when uyangijikjela, I will fucking turn that shit there into strength. I am the ultimate alchemist because I know this thing. How many times have I warned these guys? How many times have I warned them? Ukuthi Ingilosi yokukhanya is the one undefeated beast. Undefeated Ingilosi yokukhanya. Why? Because everything that happens in darkness can be revealed and seen in the light. What is the light? The light is you. Ukhanya uwe. You are the light. But you are the light which is brought by your ancestors. Ukhanya nguwe. Ubumnyama futhi nguwe. Because abantu bakini abakulethela indlela yokukhanya wena kumele uyamukele noma wena mele wenzeni uqhubeke nesabelo sakho. Because if it's yours, it's yours. I can never be you. You can never be me. Mina nginehubo lami, wena unehubo lakho. You have your own things that you follow. You have your own things that you abide by. Angeke ngizenze ushenge mina. Ngeke ngizenze usikhanda. Ngeke ngizenze anyone of you. I can't. But I can be the best element of who I am. I can be the best version of who I am. And no one can tell me about that. No one can illustrate Leonto. Because ihubo lakho elakho, ihubo lami elami, and nobody can tell me what to do. No one can tell you. I cannot dictate to you what to do in Samoako. Who the hell am I? Who am I? Lemon, I do not know your uncle. I do not know your grandfather Joseph. Do I know him? Do I know him? Do I know your grandmother Winnie or whatever? I don't. So mina angeke ngisuke la ngisuka khona bese mina ngithi mina I can try and harvest energies in emsamo wakho. It will never happen, guys. It will never happen. In alchemy, when we are talking about alchemy, sengikhuluma ke manje ngokulapha ke straight ke manje, where we are engaging ngokulapha. There are rules, kuneimpande. Impande zihlukene. It's not just impande mhlophe, impande bovu, impande mnyama, impande ehlaza green. Because they'll come and say to you, "Hey, kunempande red, kunempande ejani nani." Hey guys, khona impande ezimdwayito. Kuneimpande ezimdwayito. Kuneimpande ezihlenhle. Kuneimpande ezongamele. Kuneimpande ezongile. Yeah. Kunempande that we have to use. Kunempande kumele siyisebenzise uma imanzi. Kunempande kumele siyisebenzise when it's dry. Untangayibovana nanti the most the lento abayithandayo. Untangayibovana. Why is it you have to use it most uyishaya lento iba manzi? Ilabathenga, the one that they love the most as well. Mawishaya iba manzi inside. But if ngizothatha ikhubalo mina, mangizothatha ikhubalo ngokuhlanganisela ikhubalo. Why is it dry? Why? See? And amanguni anomthetho, by the way, guys. There's nothing that has rules more than amanguni. Mankulma amanguni, I'm talking about Xhosas. I'm talking about Swatis. I'm talking about the Zulus. I'm talking about amanguni. Those guys have rules, guys. Especially Mbandeni. Amanguni have rules ukuthi thina igazi siyayoyika. We are afraid of igazi because igazi liletha ubumnyama isinyama. Liletha ini ichilo. That's the reason why they tell you go to the transcripts as well. It's there, it's written down. It tells you ukuthi umuntu onegazi esandleni sakhe asimfune enyameni esidlayo. Umuntu obulala umuntu asimfune enyameni esidlayo. Umuntu ogwaza umuntu asimfune enyameni esidlayo. Umuntu wena nyanga wena sangoma athi uyolapha umuntu onegazi esandleni sakhe ungangeni la ekhaya ungagezanga. Imithetho leyo. Imithetho leyo. Why? Nakuyimpande. Kuney'mpande eziuhlanga olubovu ezingadingeki kwamanguni. Kuney'mpande ezihlanga olubovu that are red that amanguni when they will use them with fire. Why? Because they cannot use it and then put it into the ground, guys. Because leyo nto mayihluma izoletha ukufa la ekhaya, iletha isichithi, iletha ukufa, iletha isinyama. That is the reason why when I talk ngikhuluma ngohlanga lesihlabathi ngoba kunomthetho wohlanga. You see? Now angithi they want me to teach them healing. Let's go into healing now. Asingele kumthetho yohlanga. Ne? Now I'm speaking Portuguese now, eh? Now it's Portuguese now. But if you think about it now, and you go to a different, I can take you to Venda. Ngihamba nawe ngeVenda manje. Mangena laphana, ngiyabe ngene ngeVenda kuney'mpande abangazivumeli eVenda. Kuney'mpande impande yazi impande emhlophe. I'm not going to teach them. I will not teach witches nothing, mina. They must kiss my ass. I will not teach witches nothing. Angifuni. They must know that ukuthi angifuni. I will not. Ngeke sizwe ngabathakathi. Because at the end of the day, if people claim to be healers, do it. Why can't you practice? Why? Do you know, Guti, Welamatongo, they cannot wait for that one opportunity to show off how strong they are. Yes, I will hear people, my own ancestors coming, yebaba, Amba, where's the look? Yebab, what's? Amba, where's the look? Instruction. Kanti, what is the purpose of an instruction? What type of a healer heals with the instruction? But when you cannot demonstrate, kodwa uthumela unamanga. How? Uqabile wena unamanga uqabile. You do not have awulazi idlozi wena. Unamanga, you're talking shit. That's the problem. Because many people have been misled. Once it gets to the stage of instructions, it's direct communication. Once we engage on instruction, we have to talk about uhlanga. We have to talk about the whereabouts. Where did it start? Why did it start? Who started it? Do you remember when you were speaking with Uskandelap? Do you remember how specific he was when he's speaking to you? He was telling you, hey, mankuluma now Elana, there's a grandpa or A, B, C, D. See? Why? We are making reference to those that have walked the journey before you.
Yes.
So mina you don't come and say uthi ufuna mina ufuna consult but manje mangithi ngiyakulalela awukwazi ukukhuluma ngomsamo awukwazi ukukhuluma ngohlanga awukwazi ukukhuluma you are lying chief you are lying you are lying you are lying
they don't understand what is going. I remember back then when I saw you on this TV show. So this other guy, they asked you on this TV show, when I had a son, I said, I don't have a son, I don't have church. I don't have church. I don't have church. I don't have church. He doesn't have a son.
Imagine.
No, he's telling the truth. He doesn't have a son.
But at least that guy was telling the truth. Yeah, at least he's telling the truth. He's not a healer. He's a witch, Mos. He's a witch. It's fabricated. What he's operating in, it's fabricated energies. It's those energies. Yazi, one day when I'm happy, one day when I'm really happy, I will then talk about spirits that live in waters, spirits that live in specific water sources. I will then talk about why do people go and actually go to a riverbed? Why do they go to an ocean? Why do they go to a dam? A dam is still waters, guys. I've spoken about this 7 years ago on YouTube. I explained this 7 years ago on YouTube. I explained it. That's still waters of specific entities. Still waters. Waters that have movable energy are for specific entities as well. Ask yourself one question. If Mina, I am your child, for example, and Mina, I pass away, whatever, but I end up not finding my way back home. And Mina, I've been walking a clean life, a clean journey, whatever. Where do you think I will go? Where do you think the spirits can go? Because the witches can never engage Nemoya or Kanya. They need to get it in their heads. It's never going to happen. They will never harvest that energy. It will never happen. Get it in your head. That is the reason why you hear stories such as, okay, we went to the water, and then we are figuring manzini. How? When do we land? How? When do we walk? How? I went to the water and then I spoke to the water as boom, fishes came up to me. Haibo, boom. Haibo, I went to the water. I was surrounded by stingrays. Haibo, I went to the water. Ini. You see? Versus that guy who passed away, clean job, who slept his way to death. Clean job, natural death, died, boom, slept, and never woke up or accepted death. And all of you guys are sitting and watching TV, and then next thing, gone. Akumukele loko. Akumukele loko. Next thing, they go bawelele kwela matongo while all of you are watching. My grandfather was one of those guys. We all watched him pass away, Gaj. My grandmother was like that. We all watched her pass away, Gaj. My grandmother from the other side, from the mother side as well. Not just her, there's a whole list of others I've seen pass away in front of me. So, because when we want to fight with a specific entity as well, I can still take you to a specific water source. There is a water source I can take you to, and if you just like abantu, do you know ukuthi ukulahla isilwane nokukhipha isilwane is not the same thing? It's not the same thing. But many people call themselves healers. Kodwa abakwazi ukuyichaza leyo nto. Maningi bathi bayibelaphi, abanye bathi bayayikhipha, but they don't even know what the difference is. Let me put it to you in layman's terms. There is an entity that can be embedded to you. One. Then there is an entity that can follow you. Two totally different things. And then let's talk the language of the witches. Let's talk about an entity that is being married to you. Then we're going to go into things such as spiritual husband, spiritual wife. You see? Next thing we're gonna start talking about entities such as Ibogwe. Right? You see, I am intentionally talking about these things because all of these entities can be removed. All of them.
Yes.
They can be removed. I can kill so many things. Because of that. But you know how many people have been going to the waters, have been going to the wrong water sources just because they saw you going there, just because they saw me going there, just because they saw the other guy going there. You know how many people go there? What are they putting themselves into? You know? And I never go to any water source without an instruction. That is the reason why when I go to any water source, I can talk and do things there that you'll be shocked. Because I'm going there because they are waiting for me there. What type of a child does things without the instruction of the parent?
But I guess otherwise, like, I will send you the medicine, and then when it arrives, you must go to the water, and you must go and wash yourself with this thing there. In my mind, I'm not even, nobody told me I'm a healer or I'm gifted. In my mind, I ask myself, where am I going today? Who called me? So who am I going to talk there to? I said, no, I'm not going there.
You see?
I am not going there. I feel like I was not going to come there. Yet I don't do nothing. But at that moment, something said, no. Nobody.
I'm so glad you mentioned that because people underestimate connection. Remember, people don't understand the connection to source when they don't have the connection to source. They will never understand it. They will never understand how do you know, Uti, this is your grandmother? How do you know that you must not go here? How do you know that you must not eat this? How do you know that when you must leave? And then my question becomes, how do you not know that you must not leave here? How do you not know? Because umhlola loyo. You know how many times I was told to leave that old life I was living with those people, but I said I'm only hanging in because I wanted to see how far are they willing to go. I wanted to prove to myself that they really wanted to see me dead first, and then when I saw it, I was the first one to say, fuck this shit, I'm out. Why? Because the ancestors tell you first. They tell you. So. Just like, remember when you came with your husband, remember what I told you? I told you, you know what? I shouldn't be telling you this, but this one. And it wasn't even a month later, ne? Or 2 months later.
That same day, when you drive away from there, when you arrive at home in town, he said, let us go to my mother's house. One day, that's when he now said, no, I'm going to use this money for this and this and this and this. And that was the same day.
You see?
When I told him, don't do that, even to this now regretting.
You see?
I should have listened to you. I'm like,
You see, again, remember, witches do not have access to Umsam. So they do not understand connection to source. They do not know Abazi. That's the reason why they cannot relate to what we are talking about. That's the reason why they get angry when you talk about connection to source, because they do not have access to that. I want to make this, let me put this in layman's terms. You are the source. You are also the burden. So, wena ukanya. At the same time, we are wise to wena futu bubumnyama. That is the reason why when I said umsamwako huwe, and everybody was copying what I was saying, they didn't understand what I was saying. They were just rushing to reiterate what I was saying so that they look good to people. Everybody, but they didn't understand the concept behind what I was saying. Because what I was referring to is connection to source. When you are claiming ukuthi umsamwako wena, okusho ukuthi mina mangithi mina umsamwami mina, okusho ukuthi ngoba mina ngiyi-representative yabantu basekhaya, I can directly engage nomathongo ami, I can directly engage nekhehla, I can directly engage nogogo. Ngiyakhuluma manje ngithanda ngikhulume nabakithi, ngikhulume manje ngithanda nabanika bekhaya, ngiyakhuluma manje ngithanda nabantu abadala basekhaya, ngiyakhuluma manje ngithanda nezingane zakithi. Hey, anikahle nina. You see what I'm trying to say? Kancane. That is the reason why I always say, stop trying to copy. Stop it. Buza Msam. You are swearing your ancestors.
And that thing Nkulu said of the ancestor that you see the body but not the face, I have experienced absolutely. When the granny came with the white cloth and told me,
exactly.
that thing you keep thinking inside of your head that, no man, this thing doesn't make sense, but this thing keeps doing to me. That is helping me. It's not making sense. He said, yes, follow your own mind, listen to your own self. You are on the right track. Just follow it. Stop doubting yourself. Intuition.
Because you see these people.
Even the other day, when I was sitting there, he came again. She said, let this be the last day that you come back here.
Yeah,
you will never come back from this day on. From that day, all the things in the shop started falling on you. Exactly. The white cloth falls. When I want to pick it up, he said, no, don't touch this white cloth. Don't touch it. I'm like, what?
Now we are talking. Now that is what we call connection to source. That is direct communication to source. So my question then becomes, how many people have been calling themselves healers? Why can they not refer to connection to source? Why? But the same people were copying all the things I was saying. Why are you not illustrating connection to source? Because if you are going to be talking about connection to source, the next chapter or the next conversation I'm having with you is Uhlanga Lislabathi. The grain of sand that you guys come from. From those grain of sands, what do you guys eat? What do you guys use to as remedies for yourselves, spiritually or in the physical sense, from that grain of sand. Kulolo hlanga lehlabathi. You see? It goes deeper. It goes deeper than just saying umsamo wako uwena. It goes deeper than that, Baba. Go deeper, Papa. That's where it goes. That is the reason why I intentionally say these things, because I know they're going to copy. But I am the only one that can engage. I am the only one that can engage with the spirit. That's the reason why. You can't come to me and say, once you start talking about spirits, hey, you make me very happy. You get me excited because I can speak to spirits that have been laid to rest. Yay! Hey, I can speak to spirits that have been laid to rest even before my time. And that's the reason why. That's the reason why I engage with this thing. And the law or the yes.
You remind me today when I was on your life, that you ended the life, so
yes.
the life jumped to another life.
Yes.
And then this girl was on a call with a so-called healer. She asked a question. Can I ask about my late grandmother? She just recently passed away.
Shame.
So I just like to know if she's okay where she is.
Yes.
Then the so-called healer asked, she now has to respond. She can't see focus. You know how to respond? No, your granny hasn't yet arrived on the other side yet. She's not there yet. So because she's not there yet, I can't talk to her or see her. She still has to arrive.
Maybe I must explain this.
She hasn't arrived there yet. It doesn't mean anything that I'm like, oh yeah.
Let's use common sense. All right? So things happen in the spirit before they happen in the metaphysical, right?
Yes,
so
yes.
They happen in the spirit. So death occurs in the spirit first. That's the reason why.
First, yes.
That is the ultimate reason why some spirits or some people, we could visit someone in the hospital, and if we are looking at this person in the hospital, that's your shame. Yo, Tabo, hey, is dead, shame. But they are alive in the physical. But when we are looking at him, he's accepted death long time ago. But they're now waiting for it to materialize in the metaphysical. You see, just like how Inkabi works. Let me also teach them, because they are stupid, these pieces of shit. Inkabi now when they go and they are giving a target, that nani, don't waste my time about these things about taking a picture and putting in the graveyard. That is just magic that doesn't work. Okay, what they do, they'll go and they'll try and buy you from a Banbagini. That's the reason why they'll go and in Nani. That's the reason, because they understand, even if they shoot you, but if your people do not want you to die, you will not die. And they know, if that happens, they know that. That's the reason why they do that. That is the reason why even when it's a failed hit, they have to go and cleanse, because they know Uguti, those ancestors are coming for them. They know that. They know that. Meaning, Uguti, these witches are so stupid that they don't understand, Uguti, what they are doing to try to kill someone. Nani, they are trying to engage with the spirit first. So, again, guys, if you are going to engage anything with Amatongo first, then they need to give the green light, or they need to decline, or whatever, and then it only materializes in the metaphysical after. That is the reason why a person that engages with source is extremely dangerous to them. They will never understand you. You are extremely powerful for them. They will keep on trying you and they'll realize, yo, you've got divinity. You've got divine protection because they do not understand connection to source.
Yes.
That's the reason why. And what is the source? Umsamwako. Who is the source? Wena. You. You see? It's very simple, this thing. There's no need to try and be creative. You see? But does it make sense though? You see? Hey guys, nathola lapho ni right laba bani.
As right mkhulu silalele safunda.
Hayi, kancane madoda. Yo. Hey. Yes, I love. That's why I'm being shooting. Yes. Hey, and again, when it comes to any connection, I always refer ukuthi umuntu abuze msamo, because in reality, the people that have to give the green light are your ancestors. It's your ancestors. Because you've got a purpose, guys. Everybody has their own purpose. That is why I also say, even in moya, kune moya yesabelo, kune moya yemugelo. Where do you stand there? Understand isibuze ukuthi ukuphi wena. Uyabo? Ask yourself those questions. Because if kuyisabelo sakho, like it or not, you will do it. But there is a process that has to be followed. There is a process that has to be followed. Then we engage in the topic of a calling. Then we engage in the topic of, oh, okay, Lendo, yagenzi osbanbani before. Then that is the reason why kumele imukelwe leyo nto. Kumele iqale enziwe ihlanjululwe, ilungiswe, uyebese uyayimukela. Uyayimukela. See? That's the difference here. Because if it's bestowed upon you, whether you like it or not. You can run away, you can do that, but they'll be standing watching you like that. This is why when you keep on seeing these people staring at you. You are trying to eat, you see people staring at you. You see them staring at you. And you're trying to tell people, hey, here's good. People think you're crazy.
Uncle, they say they are tired. They are resigning. They are tired. They need to rest.
You see what I mean?
Let's listen to rest, because if you are really here, it's not something you can even get rid of.
Exactly.
It's who you are.
Exactly.
Your essence is who you are. You cannot split it away from you.
You can never resign from being yourself. You are lying. You're never a healer, Mos. You're never a healer in the first place. So how? I dare them to try none with me. I'll fucking tell them straight. I'll tell them, let me because I know it, I can smell it. I can smell it as I'm speaking to someone. That's the thing. I think our job is done today. We did a nice live in the morning, and then now it's all educational. It's very intentional what I'm doing. It's very intentional. I am killing witchcraft because I'm not afraid of all of them. Angini Sabi. Now they can see. They thought I was joking 7 years ago. Angini Sabi. It's that simple. I am the ultimate alchemist. One mistake, I'll fucking kill you. Injalo nje. Ayijiki. Because we will turn that witchcraft into power. How many times have I said it? The more you attack, is the stronger we get.
Yes. Yes.
That is alchemy. That was the greatest warning I gave these people. And they thought I was joking. They are shit. Hey! Basaba manje. Bonke basaba, they're shit scared. Eh? Yes. Hallelujah. 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 And guys, ayikho family engenayo umthakathi wakhona. Ayikho family engakazi ibe nabathakathi bakhona. By the way. But are you aware? Are you aware ukuthi? Are you aware kodwa ukuthi iyaba khona ingane ekwaziyo ukuhuba nalaba ababethakatha iphinde ihube nalaba abahamba ngendlela yokukhanya? Ngelinye ilanga, hey! That is where alchemy comes in. Mangikhuluma ngokuba i-alchemist, I'm not joking. I'm telling the truth. Because the more you attack, the more you scheme, the more nizama ukuphazamisa, the more you think the shows will not continue, is the more the shows will continue. The more you think ukuthi abanye abantu angeke baze bavuke inani, it's the more abantu bezovuka khona. You were better off silent, minding your own business. But because inifuna ukulwa nendlela yokhanya, you will understand ukuthi umkhwebelezane uyini. Abanye bagula, abanye bahlale bedakiwe, abakwazi ukulala, inani, ukudakwa, iyona nto ehlalisa engqondweni nje. Ukuphazamisa impilo zabantu nani. But they cannot face us. I'm not your friend. I tell them straight, I'm not your friend. I'm my channel any day, anytime, everyone watching. And I'll fucking take you. I'll take balali vele. How?
They need to drive themselves to balali.
Yes. Aha. Shaya. You see? And that's exactly what it is. That's exactly what it is. No, I see Vade Bafetu. We shall talk, ne? All right, sharp. Thank God.
Okay.
Others are busy. Hey, witches! Now I have a group. I have a fucking big group of healers. Dango. Yeah, bo.